Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Strider/Spider speaker from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the front face of the speaker. Let's start with a long line down. Then from the top, let's angle it down and to the right. And then from the bottom, we're going to angle it upwards. And then one more vertical line to connect it. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a border in the same way. Now inside at the top, let's draw another angled rectangle. And then a border inside this one as well. Now inside, let's draw another smaller rectangle following the same angles. And then for the corners, let's draw diagonal lines. Next, underneath, let's draw a circular curve like this. And then inside, let's draw another circle. And then two more inside for the border. And then one more smaller one in the center. And that's it for the front face of the speaker. Now let's draw the side on the left. From the top left corner, let's draw an angled line down. And then from the bottom corner, one going slightly up. And then connect them with a vertical line. Now inside, in the center, let's draw another angled square. Then add a border inside. And lastly, two angled lines across the center. Now let's move to the outside and let's draw another two diagonal lines down and out. And connect them with a vertical line. And then from the bottom, let's draw a line back in. And that's it for the speaker part. Now let's draw the legs. Let's start on the left side above the part we just drew, and let's draw two curved lines up and out. And then close it off at the end. Now for the top, let's draw a line out, and then a curve out from the bottom. Now let's bring both sides down. Next, at the bottom, let's draw a circle. And then a long V-shaped point underneath to finish off the leg. Now let's add some details. Let's draw 3 curved spikes coming out from the circle. And then along the left side of the leg, let's draw 2 small square shapes. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's hop over to the right side and draw the other one in the same way. Let's start on the right and let's draw a rectangle shape out like this. Then let's curve it down from both ends. Next, let's add a circle at the bottom. And then a skinny V-shaped point to close off the bottom. Now again, let's add 3 curved V-shaped points coming out from the circle. And then let's add 1 square halfway up like this. And that's it for the right leg. Lastly, let's draw a third one behind. Underneath the left side of the speaker here, let's draw 2 lines down. Then a small circle, and then a V-shaped point underneath. Now from the circle, let's draw V-shaped curves out from both sides. And then move up and add a small square on the side. And that's it for the Strider speaker. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!